Greetings, everyone, once more. My name is Chigomana MD. We are still busy on the topic of querying Microsoft Access database using SQL. This time, we're going to look at this question. We are going to answer this question. So this question is about write an SQL statement that will show all professions. So what we have to ask ourselves here is, what is it that is needed? If you can analyze this statement, it says, write an SQL statement that will show all professions. In other words, we don't want to see any other thing. What we want to see only the professions. Now, let us go and see how we are going to do this. So I'm going to open the database. Our database is still Val Professional. So let us double click in order to see everything that is there, especially to check the spellings of some headings. Now, our question is, we want to show all professions. In other words, this statement that we're going to write must just show us exactly what type of professions are there and which are the professions, etc. So you go to create. After going to create, you go to query design. When you are in query design, you add and then you close. Now, like I said, what I'm teaching you here, I'm teaching you to make sure that I'm teaching you SQL for life. I'm not teaching you SQL that you can pass principles of computer programming level 3 and that will be done. So let me show you how to go about this. You go to SQL view and then select. Now, what is it that you have to write here? You have to write select distinct. Distinct means unique, and then you write spelling for profession in our database is this one, and then the best thing is to make sure that you remove the semicolon, and then you run the program. Can you see what we are getting here? We are getting all the professions, starting from dentist, doctor, educator, electrician, nurse, and police. Basically, that is that. So let me go to view and then go to SQL view so that you can see better what is happening. Select distinct professions. In other words, this is selecting only professions without repetitions. In other words, there is no tautology here. So let's say, for example, the question was, make sure that you show all gender. It was going to be male and female because there are only two genders according to our database. Basically, that is that. Now, if you are happy, and I'm happy. Thank you for that. We will meet in our fourth video.